Today we'll show you how to download drivers. Okay, just follow these steps and not forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. First, open here Google and put here like drive cloud. Okay guys, this is for downloading any drivers for your Windows, like Windows 10, 11, 7, what you have. Okay, just click here and okay, just now to translate to this is to English, and okay, now to this. Okay, follow me now. Here you can download, this is NVIDIA, this is for me, okay, and you can now check, you can download this is application in your PC, and you can like show you what you need to drivers. Okay guys, okay, just you can download here from here, like I will show you now how to download it exactly. Okay, okay, like this, okay, now we will wait a few seconds, just like this. Dedication, this is enumerate like dedication, like this, click, and this now it's install the agent. Okay, and wait it a few seconds or a few minutes, just wait a second. Okay, it's now need to launch. Okay, maybe like this. Okay, just wait. Okay, now just click here to install automatic. Okay guys, like this, and okay, now it's here, it's downloading drive cloud. Okay, just click here and you can download what you want from drivers. Okay, just don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.